This is the craziest adoption story I've ever heard. This girl and this guy are dating, and the girl ends up getting pregnant by this guy. Well, he's really not in love with her. She's more in love with him than him with her. So he ends up taking off. He don't want anything to do with the child. So the mom goes ahead and has the child, and about a year later, she falls in love with this other guy, and they end up getting married. And this other guy ends up adopting the child. Now he becomes the legal adoptive father of this child. And for all intents and purposes, it's just like he's the biological father. Well, they start having problems, and about 2 years later, they get divorced. Child's about 4.5, 5 years old now. Well, the adopted father, the legal father, is now going to have to pay child support of $900 a month to mom for this child. Well, after the divorce was final, guess who shows back up? The biological father. He's straightened his life up now. He wants to be a part of the daughter's life. Well, he also wants to be a part of mom's life, and they end up getting married. So now the biological father, the child, and the mother are living together, married in a house, just as if they would if they had never broken up. Except that the legal father, the one that adopted the child, is still having to pay $900 a month in child support, even though mom remarried the biological father of this child. Now, the biological father could readopt this child and it would become his legal and biological child, but he didn't really want to do that because they're getting $900 a month from the adoptive father. What do you think about that? You can't undo an adoption once it's done. So the legal father, the one that adopted the child, he's kind of stuck paying the money. And mom and the biological father, they don't want to disturb that. Seems kind of crazy, doesn't it? What do you think about that?